welcome to Pearl World at lunchtime. We're getting ready to do, well, let's start over. I'm Danielle.
I'm Jessie.
I'm Jessica.
And Bianca's behind the camera today. There I am.
So we are going to be pressing some cotton canvas zipper bags. These are super fun. A big tongue twister right there with that one. But these, decorate these. We've already did one as a sample. How cute is this? We did it all glitter. So we're going to show you how to press this exact design along with pressing on this one. This is just a cotton bag that we got from Target, from their little, little section in the front.
Dollar spot.
Promoting Target again.
Woo! They have a lot of great stuff. How can you not?
Yes. So we're going to go ahead and press just regular Siser Electric on, Siser Stretch Rose Gold on this because why not? It matches rose gold, perfect. So what you'll need though with these cotton bags, because you feel that there's like pretty big seams, obviously the zipper. This one's like, even though it's glittery, it's plasticky at the bottom too. So we want that off the heat press altogether. So for this one, we're gonna do this one first. And I have my pressing pillows here, but it's not gonna quite work how I want it to. So instead, we're gonna use just a cut up mouse pad. Simple and easy.
I'm gonna zoom in on this part so we can.
I'm gonna put, well, let me do this first. So this is my design. And I think I'm just gonna put it kind of right here. I don't really have a method to my madness of location, but that looks fine. Okay. We're putting it right on top of the mouse pad. So this is where I'm pressing. You can kind of see the indentation of where the mouse pad starts and stops, which is fine. And we're just gonna scoot this all down. So this is gonna go off my pressing pad. My mouse pad's still here. Oh, I nudged that a little.
Hi, India, Virgie, and Tanya. Leslie says, nice to be here. Nice to have you. She said, love these bags. They're great to give as presents and promotional items.
Well, that's
Yes.
That's really cool.
So we're making sure my zipper.
Yeah, they're not limited to just makeup. You can put a variety of items inside of them.
Pencil cases. All right, sorry. I just want to make sure everything's fine. Okay, now I'm going to press.
David, we do not carry the heat tape dispenser. Hi, Midge. Said a nice, beautiful day in North Carolina. Sarah says, I need some of those blinks like ASAP.
Oops.
Whoopsies.
You know what? I didn't have enough pressure. So we'll go back down. Go back down.
On the bottom of the press, that's a lower platen wrap.
And we'll try again. Maybe this one will work better this time.
You going for full time again?
Yeah, because
Okay.
I want it to stick.
Okay.
I was a little over anxious with that one.
So this is good troubleshooting tips. What happened is she didn't have enough pressure the first time, so she went and hit it again. That's the beauty of HTV.
And I'm just going to cover it with the nonstick sheet again. I'm going to hit it again, usually because I like to do that if I mess up on the first application, make sure it's really down, so that's good. And so cute.
Perfect.
And this zipper's hot, so don't touch the zipper.
Sarah, we're using Siser
That's so
Easy
pretty.
Stretch Rose Gold. Hi, Terry.
Love that.
David, you may want to look on Amazon for that.
All right, so this one's mine, Jessie.
So if it goes missing, we know why.
You can weed your own. This is the other design. Make her
Well,
work
now you
here.
know. See, you have ours.
I do.
Yeah, so it's perfect.
All right, so now we're gonna do the unicorn. As you can see, lots of different colors, lots of different times we're gonna press this, but I already weeded this one because that was more complicated, but it's super easy to weed. This is gonna be the ears and the eyeballs. And you'll see, see how that's ripping? If for some reason this is like super high tack and it's just not working, just put it on your bottom pad. It'll weed a little bit easier for you. It won't rip nearly as much.
Because it'll loosen it up a little bit, right?
Yep. Get the eyeball down.
Little tricks of the trade.
Mm-hmm.
And then sometimes if it's not working out for you, I always like to just help it along. by getting my weeding tool and just kind of pushing from the other side to encourage it to stay.
Someone said, where did you get the makeup bags from?
Target dollar
Target
spot.
dollar
Target Dollar Spot. And Denise said, where can we get the unicorn file? So cute. This is actually a personal design that Danielle created.
It is.
So you just got to get real creative when you're designing.
It's really easy though to make an Illustrator, and I don't have a garbage can, it's fine.
Whatever.
But there are very close designs on Etsy. I kind of made my own version
So
of it.
satisfying. When it just comes off in one piece.
Yes.
But definitely look for like other designers. You could support them through Etsy. They'll give you an SVG file, EPS.
You love that trash can, don't you?
I know, it's awesome. Everybody should have the imaginary trash can on their left side.
Jerry Church says hello from Thawing, Michigan.
Oh, man.
I didn't know where that was going there. I wasn't even sure.
Hello, Tina.
Do we have any other questions out there so far while I'm weeding?
No other questions yet. Remember to always share this out so
Okay.
your customers and friends and family can see what you can offer.
All right, so now we're going to go with this bag.
And comment if you're having trouble understanding me or hearing me, because I can pass the phone to Jesse. Carrie says, I throw my stuff on the floor. My husband has a fit.
That's awesome.
My husband has severe OCD, so it absolutely kills him when he goes into the art room. But it's satisfaction for me because, you know, I can bug him. All right, there we go. That looks good. That's where we're going to put it. Now, for this one, I'm going to use the pillow. Just because I feel like you can kind of, I don't know, Bianca, can you see those creases? Like,
Yeah.
This is an obvious seam. What's going to happen when you heat press this is going to squish into my pillow so I get a nice even surface at the top. So pillows are ideal for this application, or if you had the mouse pad, put the mouse pad so that it goes on the inside of this kind of groove that you see. All right, the zipper is going to hang off the pillow. So that's why we're using like a smaller pillow. This one's a sleeve. You can also use the smallest pillow that's in our set. I think it's like this big. So like 6 inches?
I think it's a 6x6. Mitch said, my grandson, who's 11, and my granddaughter, who is 8, are here today watching you ladies. Then we're off to feed our turtles.
Oh,
That sounds like a fun day.
Yes.
Hey, kids, welcome.
No, we don't carry the plain bags. The glitter one was from Target.
I wish we carried
I know.
the bags. It's in the works. I hope to carry the bags. Okay.
Nathan said, does Pro World have a mini heat press giveaway promo going on right now?
Oh, Nathan.
Wow, Nathan.
Way to jump the gun.
Of course we do. You guys can talk about it. We're just going to keep it a secret from everybody out there.
All right, I'll zoom out while we explain.
Pull the details.
Yep.
Okay, so you guys just have to head over to our Instagram page, Pro World Inc. on Instagram. So to enter, you must follow us first, and then you're going to comment and tell us what you would make with your heat press if you were to win. You can also tell a friend for more entries, so just tag them in the comments, and that way you get more entries. And this is going on until the 21st.
I knew that much.
Catherine said, what are we making?
Cotton canvas zipper bags.
I just love hearing her
I
say
just
that.
love it. It's like a very satisfying thing to say for some reason. I don't know why.
So to slow that down, cotton canvas
I don't know if you should
zipper bag.
I don't know if you should be the one saying
Yeah.
it over there.
Yeah.
Croaky voice.
Brokey.
I didn't realize you were...
She lost her voice like
Yeah.
all of a sudden as we were doing
I'm
this.
saying it was okay. Like I feel like this morning.
I feel
You know
like
why?
she
Because
might.
I was off phones this morning, so I didn't use my voice a lot.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
I think that she's just making this up so she doesn't have to talk right now.
To try and say all
Hi,
things
Angela.
later.
Yes, right?
From Tennessee.
Ethan says, didn't mean to throw you under the bus. It was supposed to be a surprise. That's okay.
After she wrote Tennessee, it's making me think how I really like that song, Tennessee Whiskey. Have you heard that?
I
No.
think that.
The guy that was on Saturday Night Live with Justin Timberlake.
Is that a recent
trying to-
song?
Oh,
Thank
Chris
you.
Stapleton.
I
Yeah.
always forget his name. And I really like that song.
if anybody's keeping track of how long I'm pressing for, it's clearly not the 10 to 20 seconds as advertised on the website, because you don't need to. When you're just kind of setting these up.
Well, Leslie actually just asked, how long are you pressing for? So that was
I
pretty
don't
good.
even need
Pressing
comments.
Yeah, we just
Thanks a
answered
lot,
that
ladies. No, you literally just have to hit it for a couple seconds, peel it off. It helps so that it doesn't shrink when you press it.
Just a quick tack, right? Just enough
Yep.
to get it to stay.
Because at the end, I'm going to tack it down longer. Like for the full time.
India's saying that she's gonna buy a machine so she can press stuff to sell. Yes.
All right,
India.
so this is my
It's a
last
good
one.
investment.
This is my last one, so we're going to do it for full time. The 10 seconds. We're going to peel that off and then hit it again with the nonstick sheet for like my final time. Oh, was there one that got stuck? Oh, there it goes. Okay. Okay.
What's stuck?
I don't know. It was like a little dirty spot, but that's
Oh.
okay. Okay, and my last final time, gonna do it for another 10 seconds.
Oh, poor Nathan and his spam.
But thank
the
you
link
for
to the
posting
Instagram.
the link.
Thank you.
So simple, easy, and they're really, really cute.
Yeah, super cute.
So you can do fun little sayings, monograms. Look how good they came out. Let me get this yucky mouse pad piece out of the way.
And unicorns are like all the rage right now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And this only took really long because obviously it was a lot of colors of vinyl. But this one you can see, like 15 seconds and we're done. And you have a really nice personalized bag, great for like brides, bridesmaids. It's a good little gift to give away to them. So do we have any other questions?
My mom's here.
Yay!
Hi, Mom. Hi. Where did you get the unicorn? Danielle made it.
It's cute
Such a
though,
little
right?
creative genius.
You could check Etsy though for similar designs, or you can make your own in like Adobe and Illustrator, or
Yes.
Sure.
You can do a
Crafty
silhouette
like that.
program if you want to.
Yeah.
Right, I think that's about it.
That's about it.
All right. Well, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to go to Instagram so you can be in the running for the Heat Press Mini. And we will see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.